guys, in this video I'll show you how to attach your pockets to your vest. As you can see, I have already attached one pocket and I'm working on the other one. So I suggest you to attach your pockets with the help of tapestry needle and your yarn. You can also use a crochet hook if it works better for you. But in my case, I'm using, as I already told you, tapestry needle, and I also use sewing pins, just because I want to make sure that my pockets are at the same level, both of my pockets, and it won't stretch up. So this really helps me, and I'll show you how I'm attaching my pocket right now.